gentlemen, may I have your attention, please?
www.GhostImaging.net. Inception. The movie Inception. You've seen it. Everybody's seen it. Leonardo DiCaprio's in it. All these other actors are in it. I can't remember their names, but you get the point. Phenomenal movie, to say the least, in regards to sound. I mean, the audible experience alone is just to die for. And I'll admit it, I'm an audio nerd, but I mean, you got to give the movie credit. I mean, the visual presentation of it all and just all the sounds of the dream sequences. Oh man, it was just perfect. So, with that being said, my colleagues and friends at Radio Jingles, they've inspired me to do something. A few months ago, they posted a really cool video presentation of the making of the sounds of Inception. So I decided to do an audio remake of the making of the sounds of Inception. I mean, I got like 17 tracks, at least 30 to 40 elements are going on all at once in this particular session that I did. If you saw the movie, you saw the dream sequences, you saw all the levels of the dreams, then you know that they had snowmobiles, they had machine guns, they had the earthquake part of the movie where the cup was shaking and the city was going upside down. You know, people yelling, people screaming, the enemies. I mean, they had all these different sounds to give you theater of the mind and to give you an interpretation of what Inception and the dreams were all about. So I gave you an audio presentation. It's a lot of fun. You're gonna love it. When you get done checking out what I'm about to show you, go to the website, GhostImaging.net, look under radio imaging, and you will find the actual audio of Inception. Sit back, relax, close your eyes, and just let it take you away. I promise you, it's like the coolest thing ever, all right? Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook. And, of course, continue to follow me on all my videos. Here it is, www.GhostImaging.net, the making of the sounds of Inception.
train your subconscious to defend itself from even the most skilled extractor.
How can I do that?
Because I am the most skilled extractor. So how did we end up here? This is a dream and you have a safe full of secrets. I need to know what's in that safe. I know how to search your mind and find your secrets.